Yo, hope y'all doing amazing out there. Hope everybody having a great day. Got a quick little video here. But first, quick hit off the C-cell. Got this loaded up with some Bubba Kush. All right. But yeah, gonna be looking at some pieces here. Gonna be setting off. Just go over, take a look at the pieces. By the way, watch today that Reserve Pro Diver Elite Diamond SW200, number 3 of 300, Burgundy Reserve Pro Diver. But yeah, taking a look at this first piece here. This is a rose gold and black bolt. Has those intertwined color tones for the bolt cable on the outside. Has that nice plate in the bottom portion of the dial, and of course plate going over that, the center structure for this piece. It also has these hovering structures right below the crystal of the piece. It's very nice. Done in a hybrid silicone poly strap. Very comfortable. Yeah. Next piece we'll be taking a look at here. Another bolt. This is the Bolt Sport. The nice carbon fiber on the dial. Very nice summer piece done in that silicone cage for the case. Helium release valve, high polish for the case, silicone strap. This piece is dead, and I will mention that in my post for trying to sell this off. I'm not sure how to change batteries. Hopefully whoever buys it will be able to go to a jeweler or something like that. But yeah, another awesome bolt. Next piece I have up here is this gold and silver stainless Akula. Got that nice bright golden dial. Very lovely piece. I love the Akulas. They are my favorite type of design. This design right here. However, I don't wear a lot of yellow gold. I want to send this to someone where it will get hopefully more wrist time. Got the helium release valve up there. Some nice structures coming off the side. This is classified as a 58mm piece, but it does fit more like a 52 with these type of Akulas. Unidirectional rotating bezel. But yeah, very nice piece. Has like some pyramid style structures for the side of the bracelet. Caseback does have that Russian submarine that Akula, where this piece gets its name from. Screw down crown. Very nice piece. And last but not least here, we have a S1 Sports. Then with the gray subdials, silver for the base of the dial, Silicone scale, nice Rosetone screws and case. Has that S1 machine on the side of the case. A very comfortable strap, very comfortable piece overall. S1 rally on that case back. Very comfortable summer piece right here.
My speech aligned with teacher, help me seek the knowledge. But the streets is evil, we proceed to flee police and sirens. Grievance foul, 3 below, 6 feet, my ego grows. Shorty grip it both hands.
Kind of built like a Akula specialty with the silicone cage right here.
This is for the 40 buses, holding crutches cause they know they hustlers. While the man is trying to cobra clutches, I drink a whole 8 bottles, man, I won't discuss this. Cause even if it's champagne, better know your substance.
And those are pieces I'll be selling off, letting go of some beautiful pieces to hopefully fund some more pieces. I've seen a lot of stuff on the way, so just letting go of some pieces that don't get enough wrist time. But I hope everybody takes care out there. Hope you enjoy the rest of your day. Remember to smile. Love y'all.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
In a world full of haters stands a single group who clearly